In this video, I'm going to be talking about, can you delete Instagram messages from both sides? And the short answer is yes, you can, provided that the message hasn't been read before. So if I go ahead and go to my messages and I go ahead and tap on any chat right here, let me tap on the first one and they just sent me a spam message. So what you can do is if I go ahead and reply to this with no, tap on send, and then quickly before they read the message, go ahead and hold down on the message. A menu will pop up and it says unsend message. Go ahead and tap on unsend and you can see the message disappeared. And now because that person didn't read the message quick enough, it has been deleted from both sides. But the problem comes in is when the message has been read, that unsend button won't appear, so you won't be able to delete that message from both sides. So in a nutshell, yes, you can delete messages from both sides provided that the message hasn't been read yet. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.